Hello. I want to go through OnPassive and discover whether it is a scam or legit. I will show you the facts and you can decide for yourself. My name is Marina Fabbit. I'm on the Leadership Council for OnPassive. I live in South Africa in a suburb called Lone Hill, Johannesburg. I have a public Facebook profile which you can check out. I have a YouTube channel called Marina Fabbit #OnPassive. I'm also on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, and my email address is stated there. Okay, I have covered this topic or concern more times than I can count in the past on webinars I've had with other leaders in the business, but I feel that I should give you something to share with the doubters and naysayers. I'm getting tired of repeating myself. I certainly don't want to click on that link again. I'm sure that you will understand as I go through this, so please bear with me. It's a scam. Or is it legit? OnPassive. So many people have sent me this link from onlinewealthchronicles.com. And I'm just getting so tired of repeating the same thing. So I've taken this and I've dissected it for you. Who is he? Frank. Right, so this is the guy. How sweet. Cute baby. What's your surname, Frank? Where do you even live? Is your name really Frank? You know? Right. At the top, when you log into this link, you'll see right at the top, he wants you to join his business page, GoFunders. I call people like him savages because they capitalize on companies that are doing well, that have a huge base or network, and they try to get them into their business. As you can see, is OnPassive and MLM. Now Frank says that it is. OnPassive is a global IT company driven by the latest AI and machine learning technology. He's calling OnPassive an MLM, which is clearly we're not. Does OnPassive have products and services? In his website, it says no retail products. Oh my word. Now, Frank says that we have no retail products or services. OnPassive has over 50 digital products and services, built from the ground up or perfected, using the latest artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, all under one umbrella. Okay, you can visit the onpassive.com blog to get this information. Onpassive.com is our website, and that is what you'll see. As you can see, we have the home, about us, our leaders, products, and so forth. Okay, so this is the onpassive.com blog. That's what it will look like. You'll find it on the onpassive.com. You just click on the right top corner and you click onto blog. In here, in the search button or search column, you can search for anything. From artificial intelligence to all the products that we offer, the services that we offer. We have the OnPassive website, the GoFounders back office. There's lots of videos, there's testimonials from people, what they're saying in the community and marketing, and then there's artificial intelligence. Everything that you want to know about OnPassive is here. So I do encourage you to go through onpassive.com blog. There is loads of information about the company, and I really, really do encourage you to do just that. Okay, so this is the OnPassive locations or contact us. When you're on the website, you'll see that there are 3 premises. Our head office, which is in Florida, headquarters are in Hyderabad and Bangalore in India. We also own one of the premises in Hyderabad, in High Tech City. Paid for and owned by Ashmufareh. Now, OnPassive is licensed and registered in 212 countries. Fully compliant, OnPassive LLC is registered. You can check it out on sunbiz.org. All you need to do is type in OnPassive LLC, search records, and you will see all the info you need, including the addresses and who the CEO is. Sunbiz.org. It will give you the registration, the license papers and what have you. Right, now our CEO, Mr. Ashmufareh, on Frank's website, he is knocking him and says he allegedly this and apparently that, and he has this and he has done that. Right, now Ashmufareh started ONPASSIVE and GoFounders because there was a gap in the market. And, you know, he's been affiliated and involved with other businesses, but it's never been his own. You can search Ashmufareh. There's his website. He's on LinkedIn, on Facebook. He's on Twitter. You can follow him there. Pinterest account and Instagram. Ashmufareh has never owned a company before ONPASSIVE and GoFounders. He's been affiliated and associated to several. That is why he started ONPASSIVE, as there was a gap in the market. He has a Master's of Information Technology, MIT, and he's a Harvard graduate with online business and marketing with over 20 years experience in the field. This is Ashmufareh's Facebook account. Now, according to Frank, this is not what his Facebook account looks like. There you go. You can search him. M. Ashmufareh, CEO and Director of GoFounders ONPASSIVE, lives in Orlando, Florida. This is his LinkedIn account. Once again, Ashmufareh. We are connected on LinkedIn. He's the founder and CEO of GoFounders ONPASSIVE, aims to create a landmark in information technology industry. Great. What else do we have that Frank says we don't? Staff members. Oh my word. Okay, we have got, if you just search in Google, ONPASSIVE jobs, you will come up with everyone who is anyone in the recruitment industry is looking for staff for ONPASSIVE. You have Glassdoor at the bottom there and Google search on the top. Now we currently have about 600 staff members, okay? We're hiring around 75 members a week currently. We are now in the beginning of November. And by the end of December, we will have 1,000 staff members at a minimum when we go into our launch. You just got to search ONPASSIVE jobs and see. Now, what does Frank say about other reviews? What does he say? You can see on the right of the page, when you log into that link, it will say recent post, and it's got all these other companies, scam or legit, scam or legit, scam or legit. Now, I went into them to see what Frank says about it. And there is not one other business opportunity mentioned in here which Frank, he or Frank, will join. I wonder why. Okay. And as you go along, this is what you see. Click here to join Frank's business. Okay. It doesn't say Frank's business. It just says click here to learn how. If you're looking for a legitimate and real way to make money from home, then click the button now, below now to learn how. How convenient. Right, and this pops up at least 5 times while you're scrolling through the page. I actually don't want to go onto that link anymore, and that is why I decided to do this video. Right, apparently ONPASSIVE is not registered with BBB. Yes, we are. Right, now BBB is the Better Business Bureau. All you do, you type in the search engine ONPASSIVE LLC. And all their credentials will come up, and you can see the customer reviews is a 5 out of 5. So Frank, I think you need to re-look at your website and your information that you are that you've posted, and I would suggest that you take it down because it is incorrect information. Now ONPASSIVE is legit. We have over 1,500 to 2,000 founders joining daily, and we are approaching the 280,000 founding members mark. We have brick and mortar buildings, as I showed you the addresses on the website. We are licensed and registered in 212 countries. We are legal and compliant. We even have our own legal department. We are currently valued at $3 billion due to the products that we have, and every one of the founding members will become customers at launch. Right, we currently have over 600 staff members, and by December 2020, we will have 1,000, a minimum. This is just going into our launch. It's 100% lifetime money back guarantee. If you become a founder for $97 and you decide after a month or 2 or 3 or a year or 2 that you don't want to be a founder, you will get your money back. Okay. There's also, Ashmufareh has given over 60 laptops and smartphone devices away as gifts to certain founders and leaders in ONPassive. Now, if this was a scam, do you honestly think that a company would spend so much money on these gifts that people have received already? The cost is only $97 currently, and during soft launch, it will be $149 to become a founder. We are going into soft launch really, really soon, like anytime this month or maybe just the beginning of December. There's no date set yet, but it's happening real soon. Okay, and it's one-time payment when we launch to activate your account as a customer or reseller. One time out of pocket, and your subscriptions come out of profit. This is another reason that Ashmufareh decided to do this business, because of the problem when things are tough. The first thing that goes is, or that we cancel, are our subscriptions. And the way Ashmufareh has built the system, you only pay one time out of pocket and the rest is out of profit. It's unheard of. Okay, now I hope that you are ready to become a founder with OnPassive after looking at this review and comparison from what is out there, what people are saying, and it's all lies. So get back to the person who introduced you to this great business opportunity, register with their link. It's 100% success guaranteed, 100% automated and done for you. 100% hands-free. Set and forget. You don't have to do anything. OnPassive builds your business for you because of the massive marketing campaigns that they will be doing 365 days a year, and they will not take a break. Builds your team for you. You don't have to ever worry to build a team if you don't want to. You'll earn residual income for life. We're talking about 6 to 8 digits. And you'll have so much money that you will be able to buy everything that you've ever wanted, help your family do that, and then you'll also be able to leave a legacy that you can be proud of. And with the extra money that you'll be earning, OnPassive will be putting you into a situation where you can help turn poverty into prosperity around the world, one step at a time, one person at a time, and one project at a time. OnPassive is truly AI with heart. I really hope that this helped you, and I do encourage you to do your due diligence, just like I have, and I'm a proud founding member. I've been with the business now for over a year, and I couldn't be happier. 280,000 founding members feel exactly the same way. And please don't listen to 1 or 2 people that are disgruntled or naysayers, or just trying to use other people's hard work and effort to get the business to where it's at, just to knock it so that they can get success and get people away from this great opportunity into theirs. OnPassive is not a network marketing company. It's not an MLM. We are a global IT company, registered and licensed in 212 countries. So thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. And please get back to the person that introduced you to OnPassive, and you will thank them. Goodbye.